There's no denying that the North American market craves pickups of all sizes. Toyota is one of the automakers capitalizing on this demand with the Tacoma, but oddly enough, everyone in the world is getting the more iconic Hilux. The reason for the loss of the Hilux in the US market is because of the so-called chicken tax from decades ago, which made import pickups expensive. But I wonder, should Toyota now build the Hilux in the United States and replace the Tacoma? To understand it better, let's take a closer look at the modern Hilux. First and foremost, the 2023 Toyota Hilux we have here is the Philippines market GR Sport model. While there will be slight differences in specifications, this Hilux GR Sport mirrors the specifications offered worldwide. That's especially true in the case of this top-of-the-range GR Sport model, which practically ditched most of the gray cladding and exterior trim in favor of body color. It also rides on special gray 18-inch GR alloy wheels, which further gives the truck a sporty look, albeit more road-biased in terms of aesthetics. This particular press model is painted in dazzling emotional red, Gazoo Racing's signature color, and I'd argue it looks better than any Tacoma sold in the United States. Not only that, the Hilux GR Sport comes with several handling upgrades which also make this pickup drive better than the standard model. Likewise, the interior of the Toyota Hilux GR Sport is very sporty, though not exactly luxurious. As a GR Sport model, it comes with GR-specific sports seats with a bit more cushioning, aluminum sport pedals, and little embellishments like GR floor mats and GR-specific gauge animations. Everything else is business as usual in typical Toyota fashion. There's a user-friendly, albeit low-res, 8.0-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with perks like dual-zone climate control. Space in the Hilux is good in the front row, although those behind the front row won't be so lucky. Legroom is, as one would expect, adequate, but at least the seats aren't too upright. The model shown here is for 2022, but for 2023, Toyota is adding rear climate ventilation to the Hilux range. A 360-degree camera system, and new for the 2023 Philippines spec model is the Toyota Safety Sense, which incorporates automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, via yaw control, as the Hilux uses hydraulic steering, adaptive cruise control, though not the stop-and-go variety, automatic high beam, blind spot warning, and rear cross-traffic warning. Out on the open road, that 2.8-liter diesel motor delivers torque with powerful yet linear force. While acceleration time isn't that important in a pickup, my personal test gave it a 0 to 62 miles per hour, 100 kilometers per hour, time of 10.3 seconds. What is significantly better in the Hilux compared to its North American gas-powered counterpart is its fuel economy. During a week of use with the Hilux GR Sport, it managed to reach 11.2 kilometers L or 26 mpg in a good mix of city and highway driving. To give you some perspective, 26 mpg is better than the highway gas mileage of any other mid-size petrol pickup.